makeup. So now this particular step I'm going to do right now is must. If you're going to stay at home or if you're going to get out of the house, doesn't matter. You have to do your skincare. You have to prep your skin little bit before doing makeup. You know, I have made a separate video that is basic simple skincare routine for beginners, that is CTM routine. If you want to check out the video, you can just go check out in the card. You know, it's very basic skincare routine. So to apply a primer. This is from Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect. You know, primer is a must if you have open pores, or if you have oily skin, or if you are a person going to sweat a lot and if you want a makeup to stay a little longer, use a primer. You know, after moisturizing, use a primer, which is a must. So we're done with applying, primer. Primer makes a lot of difference. It instantly brightens your skin, evens out your skin. And this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect is a very good primer. You can directly go and buy it, no doubts. Okay. So next to primer, I'm going to use concealer. And in this video, as we're going to do only simple, affordable makeup, we are not going to use foundation at all. And I think in everyday routine, makeup routine, you don't need a foundation if you have a good concealer. And this is Maybelline, Instant Age Rewind Concealer. Beautiful concealer. I'm going to apply around my eye area, even the above eyelid, and my problematic areas. I have, pimple marks here. That's it, okay? And to set this, as I have combination skin, I sweat sometimes and I have an oily T-zone. So I'm going to set this, concealer. So I just do this actually. I don't rub, I just push it. Just little bit. So okay, for eyebrows, I'm going to show you two different products. So you can use this, or you can use both also. I always prefer using this NYX Brow Gel, because it's a very easy way to make your eyebrows look good. So just looks like mascara. Just go upward and set your hair in one place. This way your hair sit in one place and it looks nice. I have very scanty eyebrows, this works really well for me. And in a very if you are in a rush and you want your eyebrows to be set easily, this is the one solution. Can you just see the difference? This is without this, and see the difference. So we're done with eyebrows. Next we're going to contour our face and blush our face. Contouring is your wish, okay? I have round face. I always like to add the diamonds to my face, so I prefer contouring. If you don't prefer contouring, you can skip this step, or if you want to do bronzing effect, you can actually follow this step also. And I've taken this Sugar palette, such an affordable palette, because you get all three, guys. You get, this is bronzer, that is contour. You can use it as a contouring thing. And you have a highlighter, you have a blush. And everything cost for rupees, I think it is 799. Such a beautiful, affordable product. You must own this from Sugar. So I'm going to take this, bronzer. That is, I'm going to use it as a contour. So basically for contouring, if you have this kind of angle brush, which is actually very good. If you don't have this angle brush, don't worry, you can use a normal brush. So I've taken the angle brush. I'm going to contour my, cheekbone here, just exactly above the cheekbone. Okay, little bit we're going to make a dimension. If you have round face like me, this step will actually help make a lot of difference actually. Just take, along a hair line so that it's not going to look prominent. So one side I'm just going to show you the difference. I'm going to take in the jawline. Just because I'm talking to you guys is taking too much time. Otherwise, I'll finish all this skin prep and makeup in 10 minutes. Trust me. Forehead area. Already you can make a difference. This side, just check. This looks flat and round, right? So this side you will see a dimension. So yeah. So can you make out the difference in my nose? It looks much narrower, right? So this is why we are using contouring. Yeah. So next going to use this blush. First apply in your apple of the cheeks and take it upward. Apply here and take it upward. One more time. So next to blush, we're going to use highlighter from this palette. If you're doing this makeup look for evening, use good amount of highlighter. All your high points are going to glow. Or daytime also, it's your wish. I always use highlighter. Let it be daytime or nighttime, I use highlighter. So yeah, take highlighter in the small brush like this, which is very convenient, and put it in your cheekbone, just the high points. Wow. This highlighter is really good. So after this, we're going to do eye makeup. As this simple basic beginner makeup tutorial, I'm going to use basic eye makeup. If you want to use an eyeshadow palette, it's your wish, or you can use a blush also, which is very convenient. But if you want to use an eyeshadow, I suggest you this palette. Why I suggest this palette? Because it's a neutral palette and you can create different makeup look, eye makeup look with this palette, and I think for a beginner this is more than enough. Yeah. So I'm going to take this darkest brown from the top with my fingers and just check out what I'm going to do. Basically whatever I do, I'm showing you guys. Just put it in the top area like this and blend it. This gives nice shadow to your eyes. Okay. So next I'm going to take this orange in this area. And for the lower, eyelid, I'll show you. Take the same darkest brown. You need a small brush for this, but I'm going to use my fingers. This is what I do every day. Okay, just can you see? Yeah. Then we're going to take this darkest brown, okay, and we're going to use it in the smoky, like a smoky effect, little bit. So next we're going to use our mascara. So for mascara I have taken this so I'm going to use this mascara. Before using mascara I'm going to curl my lashes. If you can afford a curl, eyelash color, just buy it, okay, because this makes your lash mascara work better. So use a curler, it makes a lot of difference. I'll show you the difference actually. Just see my lashes, okay. Let me use this and show you the difference. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you just see the difference? This already lifted, right? As if I used a mascara. It looks like as if I used a mascara. I'll just check out this and see this. I'm going to use the mascara. Just have a look about how I'm doing it, okay? First, take it downwards. Okay? Then immediately push it up. Now I'm going to use my favorite Lakme 9 to 5 Weightless Mousse lipstick. So this is in the shade Plum Feather. I love bright color lipstick. If you like subtle, nude colors, it's your choice, okay? So I'm going to use this. And taking out that extra lip balm. अनुवाद. This is the reality, guys. Okay, for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.